Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. A lot of you might be aware that Elephone are about to officially launch the Elephone U and the Elephone U Pro, and they're doing that on the 8th of February. But you can actually get these now on GearBest, and this is their special promotional page advertising both the Elephone U and the Elephone U Pro. Now these have amazing specs, but the most standout feature is going to be the curved AMOLED flexible screen. You've seen that in some videos, I'm sure, online. It looks absolutely beautiful. There's going to be two variants, like I said, the Elephone U and the Elephone U Pro. The U Pro will have the Snapdragon 660 CPU, whereas the Elephone U will have the MediaTek CPU. The Elephone U will also have a slightly bigger battery, 3620 milliamps, than the Elephone U Pro. Not much difference really, but Elephone U will have a slightly bigger battery. The Pro will also have Android 8, whereas the Elephone U will have Android 7.1, and that is pretty much the difference between them. And obviously there's a price difference, 256 for the Elephone U and 308 for the Elephone U Pro. That's 6 GB RAM and 128 GB version as well. So you can buy off this site if you wish, and there are a few free gifts and whatnot, lucky draws you'll be entered into if you do purchase through here. There's also a lucky draw here, 5 Elephone U Pros. Place an order and complete payment via PayPal. Click the box to get your free gift coupon and check your free coupon under my coupon. So you have a few ways to win gifts and maybe even a Elephone U Pro smartphone. Here's some extra coupons here and other gifts: 3D protection film, flash charger and protector case. But as with most phones, there's going to be a limit. There's 800 black ones and there's 400 blue ones. I'm also going to be having one of these Elephone U Pros soon coming to the channel, so you can watch my honest unboxing and my full review hopefully within the next few weeks. I'm really excited about getting that, because I really think it's going to be an absolute brilliant smartphone. It's very promising at the moment, and if Elephone don't make any mistakes, then it could be one of the best budget phones of the year. So definitely take a look, guys. Down below there are links in the description if you want to take a look and maybe pre-order them. But Elephone U and the Elephone U Pro can now be bought from GearBest. Shipping is between February 8th and February 20th. There's no exact date, but it's in between them times. And I'd also like to thank everyone for helping me reach 10,000 subscribers, which happened today. Absolutely over the moon about that. And hopefully my channel will start getting bigger and bigger and bigger. I'll be doing more giveaways and stuff very soon, so please subscribe for that. And please subscribe for the Elephone U and the Elephone U Pro, because unboxing and reviews of that will be coming very soon. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.